Hey, how's it going? And today I wanted to talk about the colon equals operator as it relates to constant initialization. And I want to do this because I put out a couple other tutorials about the colon equals operator, and I want to go in a little bit more depth. So the colon equal operator is used for constant initialization. So you can also think of it as a constant initializer operator. So it is able to infer the type, but only with constants at a local level. So in that sense, it can be a time-saving shortcut. It does not work with variables. To change the value of a variable, you need to use the keyword set. It can be confusing because you also see it up here at a high level because it can be used, the colon equals, to create composite types such as classes and structures, and it can be used for type aliasing as well. So it gets confusing because you see it at a very high level and then you see it at a very local level. So it has multi-purposes. Mostly I'm focused on when it appears in the body of the code. So right up here, you'll see I'm trying to create a constant called another number, and I'm trying to use the colon equals operator or the constant initializer, and it's not letting me. And it gives me the error saying data definitions at class scope must specify their value domain. So what it's saying is I've got to declare what type it is. So if I type in int, then it's happy. But you'll notice as soon as I did that, I have another error down here because I cannot change the value of a constant. That's what a constant is. It's a locked in value. So I can't use the colon equals operator down here because I can't change the value of this. And here's an example of a variable declared at a local level. It's called var number equals int, and here I can change that by using the keyword set. So with a variable, if we want to change its value or modify its value, we have to use the keyword set. Now if I want to create a new constant, I can use the colon equals operator. And here what it does at the local level, it recognizes that 3 is an integer. And so I don't need to type in that this is an integer type. And if I wanted to change this to a float, I can do that as well. Let me comment this error out. I can do that as well because it's doing its thing now. This is a constant, and this is a local level, so I'm able to use this operator down here because it's a constant. If I try to change this into a variable, I'm going to get an error because it doesn't work with variables. It only works with constants. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.